My name is Parish and my student ID is A24-0102. Today I'll show you how to do CostX. First we can select on ACTS building at Auckland. As you can see the interface. And first step we need to add the drawings, and for this one we need to click on that one. I already did, so I don't need to do that, but I can show you how to do that. We need to click on that and upload the diagrams. And first one is elevation diagram 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floor plan, basement plus and rooftop plan, foundation layout, ground and first floor plan. And our next step is to do calibration. As you can see that I click on that one. Yep, I already did calibration, so I don't need to do that, but I can show you how to do that one. So we need to click on diagrams and click x-axis or y-axis. I'll choose x-axis. I already did, but I can show you. Like we need to focus on A point to C point. First we need to click on A, then we goes up to C, and you can see that 7420. We need to convert into meters, so it could be like 7.42 meters. So our next step is to add dimension in that one. I already did, but I can show you how to do that one. In that one I put finishes, standards, substructures and superstructures. So in that one I choose superstructure. And I choose external fabric, and in this one I choose aluminum cladding. So in this one we need to put the name aluminum cladding and superstructure external fabric. I put it into the folder superstructure external cladding, and in this one I put measurements in area. So we can calculate for doors, we can put it counting. For length we can choose this one. For wall areas we can choose wall areas. For volumes we can choose volume, but in this one we need area, so we can choose area and update that. As for that one we need to click on that one and choose elevation drawing, so we can see the interface like that. For that one we need to click on dimensions and click on positive one, so it's look like this. And for that one let's assume it could be A, B, C and D. We need to click on point to point, then click on A, then B, then C and then D. So just give me a moment. Sure. Yeah, as you can see that I calculate the whole area, but you can see in this building we have some windows as well, and for removing these windows we need to click on negative points. And as you can see that there are some windows in there one, and I can show you we need to follow the same steps. We can assume A, B, C and D. We need to click on A first, then B, then C, then D. Same process with second one and same process with third one. To follow the same process we can do all of them, and at the end it's look like this. As you can see that the green portion is total area and red portion is the removed area. After this we can see our area is 69 meters square, and after this one we need to make SOQ workbook. For this one we need to click on workbook view. Yeah, and in this one we need to click on GFA group. As you can see that there are some preliminaries, substructure, superstructure and finishes. As I selected superstructure, so we need to focus on only superstructures. So for this one we don't need to click on description superstructures, we need to click on only subtotals. So we'll click subtotal and yeah. In this way you can see that we need to find superstructure, and yeah, you can see the description of face system and aluminum cladding, as you can see that. And in this one we need to find aluminum cladding system, and we need to drag the area and put it there. And next step is to update. So we can see that our quantity is 69, our unit is meter square, our rate is 505. So another step is to generate the report for that one. So we need to click on that and it goes on dimension. Pause करना. Our next step is to create a SOQ report. So we need to click on that and choose first option, print workbook to report. So we need to generate that one, and as you can see that report title is bill of quantities, project name is, we can add our name there, PARISH SAINI, and A24-0102. So we can see the preview of this one, and as you can see that it's look like that. Paris Annie A24-0102 construction building, and we need to find where superstructure actually located. So it could be yeah, as we can see that there are superstructures, so it could be fall into this one. And here we go, phased aluminum cladding. So here we can see that quantity is 69, our unit is meter squares, and our rate is 505. So our total value could be 34729. That's how we can do the CostX, and we need to follow the same process with all the measurements. So it's not that difficult. For the difference is for drawings, for doors we need to choose countings, for wall we need to choose wall area, as I choose area for total building area. So that's how it's worked. That's all from my side. Thank you so much.